So iOS 15.8.6 is one of those software updates that basically just came out. And what's super crazy here is that Apple actually went through and they supported these older types of iPhones. The iPhone 6s and the iPhone 7, the iPhone SE1, the 6s Plus and the 7 Plus, Apple went through and actually released an update for these devices. Now what's super crazy is that Apple didn't really have to go through and release an update here, but the fact that they did is something that is so awesome, and I love Apple a lot when they do these things. I just wish they kind of did these things more often. But the thing here is that the reason why Apple even released this update, I think is twofold. I think they wanted to extend some of the certifications for iMessage and things like that for some of these older devices, but it is still a really cool thing that Apple just kind of did by just going through and just kind of releasing this type of update. And I feel like that right there was something that was really, really cool. And I, for one, I'm a really big fan of it. So if you own an iPhone 6s and iPhone 7, any of those types of iPhones, it would make a lot of sense. If you still own these iPhones for some reason, it would make a lot of sense for you to go through and basically update those devices. That is going to be one of the most important things you can do. And if I'm going to go through and, recommend any devices to anybody, I clearly would not recommend these to, iPhones, but it is still really awesome that Apple's going through and releasing these types of updates. And I feel like that right there is a very important thing to keep in mind. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.